Medical Nanotechnology, Introduction to Nanoparticle-Based Contrast Agents. Narrator: welcome to the fascinating world of medical nanotechnology. In this course, we will explore the cutting-edge field of nanoparticle-based contrast agents and their role in enhancing medical imaging. Nanoparticles have revolutionized the field of healthcare by providing unprecedented capabilities for imaging and therapeutic applications. Narrator: nanoparticle-based contrast agents are small particles engineered at the nanoscale to enhance the contrast and resolution in medical imaging. These agents are designed to improve the visualization of anatomical structures, cellular processes, and molecular interactions, enabling more accurate diagnosis and treatment. Narrator: the development of nanoparticle-based contrast agents has overcome several limitations of traditional contrast agents, such as low sensitivity, nonspecific targeting, and rapid clearance from the body. Nanoparticles offer unique advantages due to their high surface area to volume ratio, tunable surface properties, and the ability to encapsulate multiple imaging agents or therapeutic payloads within their core shell structure. Narrator: the fabrication of nanoparticle-based contrast agents involves sophisticated techniques tailored to achieve precise control over their size, shape, surface chemistry, and functionality. Various synthesis methods, including chemical precipitation, emulsion-based approaches, and template-assisted fabrication, are utilized to produce nanoparticles with desired properties. Narrator: additionally, researchers employ advanced characterization techniques such as transmission electron microscopy, dynamic light scattering, and X-ray diffraction to analyze the physical, chemical, and structural characteristics of the nanoparticles. Narrator: surface modifications play a critical role in enhancing the performance of nanoparticle-based contrast agents. By functionalizing the particle surface with specific ligands, such as antibodies, peptides, or aptamers, researchers can achieve targeted imaging by selectively binding to specific cells or tissues. Narrator: surface modifications also facilitate prolonged circulation time, improve stability, reduce toxicity, and control drug release within the body. Furthermore, the incorporation of stealth coatings, such as polyethylene glycol, PEG, can increase biocompatibility and prevent immune responses. Narrator: core shell nanoparticles exhibit exceptional contrast-enhancing properties by combining different materials within a single particle structure. The core provides structural stability and acts as a reservoir for imaging agents or therapeutic payloads, while the shell offers functionalization sites for targeting and improved biocompatibility. Narrator: the design of core shell nanoparticles involves careful selection of materials, considering their optical, magnetic, or radioactive properties. These nanoparticles allow simultaneous imaging using multiple modalities, providing complementary information for accurate diagnosis. Narrator: targeted contrast agents enable highly specific molecular or cellular imaging, revolutionizing diagnostic capabilities. Functionalized nanoparticles can selectively bind to specific biomarkers on diseased tissues, allowing for early detection, precise localization, and monitoring of disease progression. Narrator: various targeting strategies, such as active targeting, ligand-receptor interactions, passive targeting, leaky vasculature of tumors, and stimuli-responsive targeting are employed to improve nanoparticle localization at the desired site of interest. Narrator: multifunctional nanoparticles represent a significant advancement in medical nanotechnology. These nanoparticles possess both imaging and therapeutic capabilities, enabling simultaneous diagnosis and treatment, commonly known as theranostics. Narrator: integration of imaging agents with therapeutic payloads, such as chemotherapy drugs, gene therapies, or photothermal agents, into a single nanoparticle platform provides unprecedented opportunities for personalized medicine, targeted therapy, and real-time treatment monitoring. Narrator: despite remarkable progress, several challenges need to be addressed for successful translation of nanoparticle-based contrast agents to in vivo imaging applications. Issues such as biocompatibility, long-term toxicity, clearance pathways, nanoparticle stability, and scalability of manufacturing remain critical hurdles. Narrator: however, these challenges also present significant opportunities for researchers to develop novel imaging techniques, intelligent nanoparticle designs, and innovative strategies to overcome the limitations associated with in vivo imaging. Narrator: nanoparticles can serve as powerful imaging probes and sensors for monitoring specific biological processes at the molecular level. By integrating fluorescent dyes, quantum dots, magnetic nanoparticles, or radioactive tracers, researchers can precisely monitor cellular functions, tissue regeneration, and biomarker expression. Narrator: the development of nanoparticle-based imaging probes and sensors has revolutionized our understanding of fundamental biological processes and enabled non-invasive assessment of disease progression, treatment response, and patient outcomes. Narrator nanoparticles can be integrated with other imaging or therapeutic agents, such as contrast-enhancing dyes, radioisotopes, targeted therapies, or nanoscale drug delivery systems, to enhance their overall capabilities and effectiveness. Narrator combining complementary imaging modalities or synergistic therapeutic approaches can provide comprehensive and accurate diagnostic information while optimizing treatment outcomes. These integrated approaches open up new possibilities for precision medicine and personalized patient care. Narrator nanoparticle-based contrast agents offer exciting prospects for molecular imaging, allowing the visualization of specific biomarkers or genetic material associated with various diseases. They enable non-invasive detection of early-stage tumors, tracking of disease progression, and evaluation of treatment response. Narrator by conjugating nanoparticles with specific probes or nanoprobes, researchers can detect, quantify, and study the behavior of biomarkers, genetic material, or drug molecules in real time, leading to improved diagnostics, patient stratification, and personalized therapy. Narrator theranostics, the integration of diagnosis and therapy into a single nanoparticle platform, represents a promising approach in medical nanotechnology. These theranostic agents enable targeted delivery of therapeutics while simultaneously monitoring treatment response and disease progression. Narrator theranostic nanoparticles provide personalized therapies, reduce side effects, enhance treatment outcomes, and improved patient quality of life. They combine the benefits of precise diagnostics, localized therapy, and real-time monitoring, making them highly valuable tools in modern medicine. Narrator while nanoparticle-based contrast agents show immense potential, their clinical translation faces significant challenges due to regulatory requirements, safety concerns, and rigorous validation procedures. These challenges necessitate close collaboration between researchers, clinicians, regulatory bodies, and industry partners to ensure successful clinical implementation. Narrator efforts are being made to establish standardized protocols, safety guidelines, and thorough preclinical and clinical testing to assess the efficacy, safety, and long-term impact of nanoparticle-based contrast agents. Only through comprehensive evaluation can these novel contrast agents pave the way for personalized medicine and improved patient care. Narrator in conclusion, nanoparticle-based contrast agents have revolutionized medical imaging by offering enhanced contrast, targeted imaging, and multifunctionality. Their unique properties and diversified applications hold immense promise for improving disease detection, precise diagnostics, and personalized therapies. Narrator while challenges and regulatory hurdles persist, the relentless pursuit of research and development in medical nanotechnology will undoubtedly lead to the successful translation of these remarkable contrast agents into clinical practice. By integrating the expertise of scientists, engineers, clinicians, and regulatory bodies, we can revolutionize patient care and usher in a new era of healthcare.